All right, so now that we're done with graphing a combination of functions, we're going to look at how to find a combination of functions using simple algebra. And this is going to be part one of a series of lessons primarily focused on that. So here's my first example here. It says given f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 7 and g of x is equal to 5x squared minus 2x, you want to determine a function h of x where h of x is the sum of f of x and g of x. Okay, so you want to start with what you want. Okay, so h of x, we want the sum. So f of x plus g of x. So this is actually quite a simple concept. You want to add f of x. So f of x is represented using that expression. So 3x squared plus 7, okay, plus our g of x expression, which is represented by 5x squared minus 2x. So 5x squared minus 2x. And notice I put it in brackets just so you can see the two groupings here. And then from here, you would just go ahead and combine all your terms and simplify. So drop your brackets now, 3x squared plus 7 plus 5x squared minus 2x. You take a look, do we have any like terms? Well, yes, we do. We have two like terms. If I add those terms together, I'm going to get 8x squared. And next we have a negative 2x, if you like writing it this way. And finally, plus 7. So there is the function h of x, and that's what we wanted right there. So when we combine f of x and g of x, we get this function. Looks like some sort of quadratic, okay? So once again, very simple idea. My next example involves two functions again, so f of x and g of x, but this time we're going to be subtracting. So notice we're subtracting the g of x function from the f of x function. Make sure you get that right because order does matter here. All right, so we want to find h of x, which is the difference between f of x and g of x. So go ahead and plug in your expression. So f of x is the expression x squared, okay, x squared minus x minus 12, and we're going to subtract the g of x function, which is represented by the expression x plus 3. Okay, so from here you want to drop your brackets. So we have x squared minus x minus 12, and be really careful here. When you drop the brackets, you have to make sure you're multiplying everything inside here, so x plus 3, by that negative 1 in front. So we have negative x negative 3. So that's something that we trained you on when you were in grade 10, okay? So go ahead and simplify and combine your like terms. Do we have any like terms here? Yeah, we do. So right there, and we have another group right there. So my final answer is going to look like this. X squared minus 2x and minus 15 as my constant. And there's the function. Okay, so that concludes part one of combining functions algebraically.